Mom, what was that noise? Me in my room. When your friend forgets to give you a blanket. Installed a ceiling fan in my room. Imagine getting smacked in your shit with this. Nobody, my grandmama, don't tell nobody I gave you this. Period I, period.
I'm sorry.
When you sneaking around at 2 a.m. and you stump your toes. Do you know what 50 Cent did when he got hungry? 58.
I'm sorry.
Who the fuck playing Jumanji? Daddy, where you at? Leaving Walmart almost home. Why? You brought me to Walmart with you. Damn, the Marlon, I forgot you with me.
Wait a minute. You love me?